For daily cleanup of the CM71, attach the cleanout hose to the water system. We can now turn the master disconnect switch off. We will now remove the mix tube. We can now clean the mixing tube and the mix paddle. The dry powder can be left in the hopper. If the machine is going for long-term storage or moving to the next job site, before we remove the mix tube, we need to remove all of the dry material and dispense it through the mix tube. We will now remove the mix paddle. We will now turn the master disconnect on and turn the booster pump on, so we can now use our cleanup water and the booster pump to remove any of the material from the mix paddle and inside the mix chamber. And now is a good time to clean the water tube inlet. If the unit is going for long-term storage, use the cleanup water to flush the inside of the hopper. If this is to be operated in coastal areas, use the cleanout water from the booster pump to now wash all of the material and salt water that can be on the pump.